Alpine's Australian return delayed. Market conditions, not yet ripe. Renault Australia has put the brakes on an immediate relaunch of its Alpine performance brand, citing insufficient demand for premium electric sports cars in the current Australian market. Despite initial plans to reintroduce the marque by late 2026 or early 2027, the company is now hesitant, emphasizing that now is not the right time. The shift in strategy. Alpine, revived by Renault in 2017, briefly appeared in Australia with the A110 coupe, before global production shifted toward electric models, like the A290 hot hatch and the A390 SUV. However, the brand recently scaled back its ambitious EV expansion, canceling larger electric SUV projects and reconsidering the next-generation A110 to potentially include a petrol variant, a clear indication of adapting to market realities. Renault Australia General Manager Glenn Seely acknowledged his excitement about Alpine, but noted that sales of electric vehicles exceeding the luxury car tax (LCT) threshold are underwhelming. This threshold, currently at $91,387, adds extra costs to higher-priced vehicles. Alpine's A390, starting at around $110,000 in direct conversion from European pricing, falls squarely into this bracket. Why it matters. This delay highlights a broader trend. The Australian EV market remains heavily skewed toward affordable options, with 173 models priced below the LCT threshold versus only 76 above it. The demand for luxury EVs is comparatively small. This is a critical factor for automakers like Renault, who must balance brand ambitions with realistic sales projections. Seely emphasized that any relaunch must meet three criteria: profitability for the manufacturer, integration with the dealer network, and value for customers. Currently, Alpine does not meet all three. The future of Alpine in Australia, Renault Australia, is not ruling out a future return, but is delaying any firm commitments until market conditions improve. The company will assess the market a bit longer first, while continuing to monitor demand for high-end EVs. The brand will also focus on derivatives of the A110, potentially offering various seating and powertrain options in the next generation. The cupboard's there to grab something out of, Seely stated, suggesting that Alpine remains a viable option if the Australian EV landscape shifts toward higher-priced segments. Ultimately, Alpine's reintroduction hinges on whether the Australian market can sustain demand for premium electric sports cars. For now, Renault is prioritizing models that align with current consumer preferences.